Si Nor, mag-usap kami once makumpleto rin yung mga tao niya. Pero salamat. Tapos he offered to send 2,000 of his men. Ay, sabi ka tatay, wag muna. Wag muna, Nor, kasi I do not want, most of them, kayong mga, just got to be fighting na hindi nila makuha talaga to, Imoro against Imoro. Let us make them understand first what is this all about. Kayong mga NPA, able-bodied, at kung mag-qualify kayo, both, hindi sabihin na kailangan ko ng bribe, kayong mga sundalo sa New People's Army, kung gusto ninyong sumali sa gobyerno ko, I will take you in as soldiers of the country. And I will in-enlist ko kayo as soldiers. Anytime, bumaba lang kayo at mag-train kasi towards the end of the year, Nur Miswari, nag-usap kami, offered. I asked him, Nur, are you with me in this republic? Ano ba ito, republika o sisirain natin? You know, we have been fighting for 50 years. Lahat itong insurgency, yung Cotabato campaign, just about as the MN noon, then MI. Ngayon, usap lang, hindi natin ito sila kalaban. Because they are talking, and we would like just to talk.